Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to install Meta Ads Pixel on your Wix website. This is an essential tool for tracking visitor behavior and measuring the effectiveness of your Facebook and Instagram ad campaigns. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, head over to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your website. On the left navigation menu, look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This is where you'll access all the core configurations for your site, including integrations and tracking tools. From the settings page, you'll need to scroll down through various options until you reach the very bottom. Here you'll find a section called Development and Integrations. This section is specifically designed for adding third-party tools and tracking codes to your website, making it the perfect place to integrate your Meta Pixel. Under the Development and Integrations section, you'll see an option for Marketing Integrations. Click on it to open up a list of available marketing tools that you can connect to your Wix site. This is where Wix allows you to seamlessly integrate various advertising and analytics platforms without needing to manually edit code. From the list of marketing integrations, look for Meta Pixels and KPI. This is the official integration for Facebook's Pixel tracking system. Once you locate it, click the Connect button that appears at the bottom part of that option. This initiates the connection process between your Wix website and Meta's advertising platform. From here, you'll see detailed instructions on how to integrate your Meta Pixel. These instructions will guide you through the final steps of linking your Facebook Business Manager account to your Wix site. Do note that you might see a different interface from here, as installing Meta Pixels on your website requires a premium subscription from Wix. If you're currently on a free plan, you'll need to upgrade to access this feature and complete the integration. And that's it, you've successfully connected your Meta Ads Pixel to your Wix website, allowing you to track conversions and optimize your advertising campaigns. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.